Hi, let me show you what are the steps to install SQL. So first you go to this website, you just put post GRESQL is the world's most advanced open source relational database. You add this postgresql.org, go to this website and press start downloading. So you have to just start downloading. Once you start downloading, it will show you what type of operating system you have. Based on your operating system, you just press, I have Windows, so I will press Windows. If you have Mac, you press Mac, and so on. And then you have to press download the installer. Then try to have the latest version of this SQL. So go to the latest version and press the button I have highlighted in red. And then you will see the recent download history. Once it is downloaded, go to the downloaded history and you will see that it will show you the packed by EDP. Welcome to this setup, and you keep on pressing next, next, and so on. Once you press next, next, you will see this select the components. So I will recommend you to do not have this tag builder. So please leave this and then press next. It will ask you for the password and you have to retype the same password. So please remember to remove to just note down somewhere your password, and because you have to press this password once you are going to start SQL. One more thing I just want to emphasize here is just select that remember this password. Otherwise, whenever you are going to open SQL, you are going to type the same password again and again. But once you select that remember, then there is no need. And everything is done, then you have to wait for setup on your computer for a few minutes, and that's it. You will see this guide and just press finish. Once it is finished, you go to your computer. In the search bar, you press PGADMIN4 and then you can open this app. You will see this type of thing will come in front of you. This is the dashboard of Post SQL, and then if you haven't selected the password once, and then you have to type password again and again. But once you are inside, so you have to enter your password. Once you connect this password to the server, you enter your password, you will get this screen where you have the databases, you have public access, you have schema, and so on. So this is the dashboard of SQL where we will work together, and I will be adding more videos how to work in SQL. Thank you so much.